Greetings, cosmic explorers, and welcome back to Sci-losophy, the channel where we navigate the intricate crossroads of science and philosophy. Today, we embark on a profound exploration into the complex interplay between death, the ego, and the fascinating biology that underlies our deepest fears. Why do humans fear death, and how does our ego, intricately linked to our biological makeup, shape and amplify this existential dread? Join us on this extended journey through philosophy, biology, and the enigma of mortality, as we also uncover reasons why, based on research, people need not fear death. But before we do, remember to subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Death, the inevitable companion, an integral part of life's grand symphony. From the microscopic ballet of cells to the majesty of nature's choreography with elephants, life unfolds in a rhythmic pattern, concluding inevitably in the universal embrace of death. Yet, amid this shared destiny, humans grapple with a unique fear of death. The question persists: why? Across the annals of time, Epicurus offers solace. Death does not concern us because as long as we exist, death is not here. And when it does come, we no longer exist. Epicurus argues that the fear of death arises from misconceptions, emphasizing that in death, there is no consciousness to experience fear. Building on these insights, Alan Watts delves into the intricate dance between our fear of death and the ego. Watts suggests that the ego, our individual identity, acts as a cognitive barrier, shielding us from fully embracing our interconnectedness with the vast cosmic tapestry. But what is the ego? To delve into the depths of the ego from a psychological standpoint, let's dissect it further. The ego, in the realm of psychology, serves as the conscious mind, the orchestrator of perceptions, the architect of identity, and the lens through which we interpret experiences, shaping our individuality and influencing our understanding of the world. Transitioning into the scientific realm, neuroscientist David Eagleman, in The Brain, The Story of You, unravels the intricate relationship between our sense of self and brain function. Eagleman suggests that our fear of death may be rooted in the brain's instinct for self-preservation and the fear of the unknown. Studies on the amygdala, a key region associated with processing emotions, reveal its role in fear and anxiety responses. The amygdala, when confronted with the idea of death, may trigger a primal fear response, intensifying our aversion to mortality. Considering an evolutionary standpoint, our fear of death could be viewed as an adaptive trait deeply ingrained over millennia to enhance our chances of survival and the perpetuation of our genetic legacy. Building on these foundations, Ernest Becker's work, The Denial of Death, weaves a philosophical and biological tapestry, postulating that our fear of death is tied to our innate desire for significance, a concept fueled by our biological imperatives for survival. Throughout history, philosophers like Heidegger, Kierkegaard, and Camus have contemplated the human experience in the face of mortality, contributing diverse perspectives to our understanding of death, the ego, and their complex interplay. Now, as we unravel the mysteries, let's explore why people, based on all this research, need not fear death. Acknowledging death as a natural part of the life cycle, shared by all living beings, offers profound insights. Recognizing the illusion of ego and understanding that in death, there is no consciousness to experience fear, can serve as a liberating realization. Embracing the impermanence of life becomes an avenue to savor the present moment fully. As Alan Watts once said, "To be free from time is to be free from fear." Furthermore, understanding our fear of death as an evolutionary adaptation can lead to a perspective shift. Rather than seeing death as an adversary, recognizing it as a natural part of the ongoing cycle of life enables a more holistic and harmonious worldview. Science has made remarkable strides in unraveling the mysteries of life and death. Yet there remain profound aspects that elude our understanding. The very essence of what lies beyond the threshold of death remains an enigma, a realm untouched by the empirical grasp of scientific inquiry. Despite advances in fields like neuroscience and psychology, the nature of consciousness and what, if anything, persists beyond bodily functions remains an open question. Anecdotal evidence, shared experiences of individuals who have had near-death experiences, adds an intriguing layer to this discourse. While anecdotal evidence is not scientifically conclusive, the accounts of those who claim to have glimpsed an afterlife or a transcendent state offer a subjective dimension to the discussion. These narratives, often characterized by a sense of peacefulness or a perception of a non-material realm, challenge the boundaries of our current scientific understanding, urging us to acknowledge the limitations in our quest to comprehend the profound mysteries surrounding death. Science, for all its accomplishments, stands humbled in the face of the ultimate unknown, inviting further exploration and contemplation. In conclusion, our fear of death, intertwined with the constructs of our ego and our biological heritage, reveals itself as a symphony resonating across the human experience. Yet, armed with the knowledge gleaned from philosophy and science, we can find solace and embrace the transient beauty of our existence. Thank you for joining us on this extensive odyssey into the realms of death, the ego, and the biological intricacies on Sci-losophy. Your insatiable intellectual curiosity fuels our exploration of the profound. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth discussions at the intersection of science and philosophy. Until our next cosmic journey into the realms of thought, keep questioning, keep exploring, and may your understanding be as enlightening as it is thought-provoking.